Hello and welcome to the Lazy Stack Group community. Here, you'll discover all our courses and free tools on how to create, monetize, and scale any tech product, or even a full SaaS or business. If you're looking to grow quickly through AI automation, you're in the right place. Once you're inside the group, check out our feed. Make sure to start by clicking the post that says "Start Here, Welcome to all Lazy Stackers." In this section, you'll find all the guidelines and details about what you can expect to find within our group. Be sure to take a moment to read through them. If you're eager to dive straight into the free course on creating, monetizing, and scaling your tech product or AI apps, head over to the classroom. Here, you'll find all the modules available for free. This is a comprehensive free course that you can begin with Module 1. It will guide you step by step on how to create a product using no-code AI tools, how to brand it, market it, and ultimately monetize it. Feel free to reach out to us if you have any questions or post them in the community feed. We hope to have a great journey with you. See you inside.